Hi everyone, it's your Goose from Quicksilver, and today we'll be looking at a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Barnstaple Bay in brushed nickel, or what I call silver. As you can tell, with the bright side down. I'm pretty sure this is the oak side. I don't know, but this is a nice fan that I really appreciate. Especially, I'm really happy because I fixed the wobble problem that this fan had for a long time, for many years, since the time we got it, it wobbled, and I finally fixed it after all these years, and I'm so happy. But of course, first I'm gonna shut off the light. So the light's gonna get brighter due to the fact that the lights came from a chandelier. Anyway, I'm gonna start demonstrating the fan itself. And when here's low, and it no longer wobbles. And this pull chain came from a Harbor Breeze Glenwood at my cousin's house. He forgot to get the second one off, but it doesn't really matter because it looks like as if one fell off. Because those chains are practically the same length, so yeah, of course. High speed used to be like really bad on this thing when it wobbled, due to the fact that the set screws were like really loose. Let me see if I can find my screwdriver that I used to fix them. It's the screwdriver right here. You can see it. Let me try to yeah, it's that screwdriver that I used to fix it. I had a whole bunch of like pillows and stuff like that to hold me up so I could actually see. I had to push the fan so I could actually see where I was working. There's the light, which I will actually demonstrate now on low speed. The original Monte Carlo Homeowners Max in here was not doing well. Like, the blades were constantly getting bent. And yes, of course, this used to be the wobbliest ceiling fan in the house. Now the Harbor Breeze Grace Bay is the wobbliest, due to the fact that I fixed the wobble on this. I did not think I would. It's exciting anyway. Here's medium. Yeah, some of the chains just kind of get stuck if I pull it like directly down like that, so I kind of have to like pull like this. The fan, I think you can see, it's only got the faintest wobble on medium. The set screws ain't gonna come loose anytime. Like, my dad tightened them only a little bit, which actually got the fan wobbling worse. But yeah, this is a nice fan now because it doesn't wobble anymore. And now I won't have to tell my grandma to not turn it on high. Well, normally she never turns it on high anyway because it would be a lot of air. Besides, this fan is located in my guest room, and it never used to. Originally it was just like this bonus room, and we used to have this like couch where this bed is, and it was like a pull-out bed sort of in the couch. We moved it to the office, but we don't use it anymore. It's the room that has the Hunter Wellesley in it. Here's the light. Yeah, they get brighter because these light bulbs came from a chandelier in the dining room. And now for high, which it used to be like the scariest speed on this fan. Now it's not, because the fan doesn't wobble anymore, really. Well, it does, but not severely like it used to be. It's only got the faintest wobble now. That's cool, because yeah, it doesn't wobble anymore, and I'm really happy. I haven't fixed the grease bay, although there aren't any loose set screws or anything like that. I definitely need to get a new down rod for the Monte Carlo Premiere because it wobbles on low. And it's because where the down rod connects to the canopy ball, it's just like jiggling around in there, and it's really scary. So I might try to get a new down rod from Lowe's eventually. Well, of course, it makes sense because the fan date's back December 10th, 2005. Anyway, back to off where I had it. I have to be careful when I do this because I used to do it and then it caused the fan to get loose. Which is actually what happened in the first place, on how this fan became loose in the first place, because I did that exact thing. So yeah, I gotta be careful. Oh yeah, I didn't show the light on time. It doesn't really matter because it's just a fan, so anyway. That was the demonstration of the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Barnstaple Bay, and I will see you all soon, and goodbye.